So we roughly cut these rounds out on the bandsaw. They're not perfect circles right now. I nearly said square. Circles there.
Yeah.
So you've got a solution, an easy solution, because that's too small for the panel saw. You can't spin that on the panel saw.
And it's a tricky thing to do on the lathe too, because it's cross grain.
All right.
So
Hit me with your solution.
All right. So I've made a little jig for the disc sander. So I've got a pivot point here, and I can adjust my radius here. And I've just got here, I've got a stop off my pivot point there. There's my little 2mm pivot point that we're going to run these guys out to, so that because I've got 24 of these to do at this size, I want to make them all exactly the same. So let's start her up. Dust extraction. Drop that, I've drilled a 2mm hole into here. That's going to be the back of the handle there, so there's the face. Screw's going to go in there. Feed that on. And then because I've got the pivot here and there's my stop, I can't go any further than that. So all I need to do is a little bit of forward momentum on there, and then stop that. I've got forward momentum against my stop. And there we go. Pull it away. Nice and safe. My hands aren't anywhere near the cutter. There's my pin. And as the sandpaper gets a little bit loaded, belt cleaning stick, give that a bit of clean. I'm not sucking up any dust because it's all dust extracted back through the unit there. So there's a couple that I've done, perfectly the same.
Booyah.
Nice.
What happened to your finger? You hit it.